Hi friends, now I will explain how to create a new YouTube channel. So for that, first of all, you need account in Gmail. So if you don't have any new Gmail account, go to google.com, and if you click Gmail, so here you have the option. So I will remove my existing one. Create account, you have option called create account. So here you have the list of options. From here you can create a new account. So I will explain the another video how to do that. So once you create a new Gmail account, then come to that youtube.com website. So when you access this website, you will get the sign in option. So if you click the sign in, so as I mentioned, once you create a new Gmail, then you have to provide that Gmail account here in email or phone, whatever it is. It will, whenever you create the Gmail, if you select the option Gmail, email, then you have to give, or phone, you have to give this one. Once you provide and go to next, if you click the next, let me see that. Yeah, there is issue dot, there is no dot. Okay, so let's go to click next. Then it will ask for we enter your password, the same password whatever we while creating in Gmail account, the same password you should provide here. Once you done and click next, so it is started. So now you have your dedicated YouTube account has been created for you. So if you click this one, once you means your login success, if you click this one, then you have option, so it automatically sign in, and you have the option these many options. From here you can create your own channel, and you can go to your YouTube studio, and you can switch. And here in this um, video I'm going to explain how to create your YouTube own channel. Now you have YouTube account, and from this YouTube account you can create your own channel. If you wanted to start a new channel in YouTube, then how to do that? Then so once you logged in, and you will get here, please click, and you will get these options. From this option, select the first option, create a channel. So you will get mm, dialog box like this. Then it will ask for name. So give your unique name. It is going to be catchy. It's going to be uh, it should be catchy, or what is the purpose of your channel. Based on that, you can upload your picture also. These are all the first time, so you can keep update later point of the time. Let me go and create a channel for this. So I have given the name, and I'm click the create channel. So my channel is ready. So I have successfully created a new YouTube channel name called TV Channel 11. So this is my YouTube channel. So here I can upload all my videos, and it is so I can share this information to everyone. And so and it started, you can start uploading your videos. So my channel is ready. So so since this is first time I don't have any videos, let me go and upload a new video. So you have the option called upload a video. Suppose if it for the first time, I'll go back. So at any point of time, if you wanted to come to your So let's go for YouTube again. So for if you wanted to, so I have closed my YouTube. So once I after so Google will automatically log in you second time if you log in after. So if you log after you log in, if you come website again, Google will automatically log in you with that account. So if you click this icon, so you will get here. So if you wanted to go to your channel, just click this one. Since I already created a channel here, so it will automatically load that. And this is your uh, dashboard. So here I don't have anything. If you wanted to upload a new video, so you just need to click upload a video for the first time, or you have the option called upload video. This is like camera icon, you can select and upload video. So let me go and upload a new video. And it will prompt here, and that site will redirect to YouTube Studio website. There you can upload, you can edit, and you can see views, and you do some operations. This is the video I wanted to upload. So here we have the few options here. Either you can drag and drop, or you can select and click open, it automatically come here. And so I will use drag and drop option. So so it start, so you will get that another window with options. So in behind it started processing your video. So there's here you need to give required details for your video, like title and the description about that video, a thumbnail. You can also it will automatically select few thumbnails for that video. You can also upload your custom thumbnails, and you can create a playlist. So um, so news, suppose if you wanted to upload a video related to news, you can give the name playlist, so that you can separate that. Create. So my playlist has been created, and I have selected this video should be added to that, and we select whether it is for kids or not. So it's not made for queen. So here you can see that list of option for your video. You can add subtitles, end screens, and add cards, and checks. It will do its own checks about this video. Is there any means any unwanted messages? And here visibility, how different kinds of visibilities options: private, unlisted, public. So I'll go for the public. So I'm setting publish. So my video is ready for the world, so they can whoever is search in Google, they can see this video, and at the same time they can view your channel also. So this is the YouTube Studio in this for your videos. Here you can see progress about your videos. If you have monetization on, you can see those details in this dashboard. And in the content section, you can see list of all your videos, and playlist, you can see that. And analytics about your video. So Studio, means Visual YouTube Studio will have the option for you to analyze progress about videos, and the monetization details. And if you want to edit if you want to edit your video, you can have. So it so you can do that using in Visual Studio, YouTube Studio. So here you have the option called editor. In editor you can update your, so you can edit your video if you want and you can add comments about your videos. So suppose if you want to see is there any comments for this video, you can, and subtitles. So this is regarding at any time you want to go to your channel, YouTube channel, just go to that, click that YouTube channel, it will redirect to that your YouTube. Here you can see the videos, and you can provide about your channels also here. So means about your video, about your channel, you can give in detail about your videos. And if you have any other channels, you can see playlist here, you can see this is your YouTube channel is ready. And if you want to customize your channel, here you have the option. In customization, you can update your YouTube channel name, and some other options. By default options you can customize here. It will again came to YouTube Studio. Here you can customize customization channel. So branding, basic info, you can write all your basic info here about your channel. Welcome to the world. And you can update name also once you publish. So it get updated into your channel in the about section. So that's how you can customize that. I hope you understand how to create a YouTube channel and how to upload, and using YouTube Studio, how can you can edit and customize the YouTube channel. Thank you guys, thank you very much, keep watch my videos.